Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPad model supports 5G and that it runs the latest iPad OS. Once done, pick a 5G-capable carrier plan or ready your eSIM details. This affects bands and speeds. Insert a physical SIM or scan the eSIM QR code, then open Settings and enable cellular data. Make sure airplane mode is off. You want the antenna active. These are the first actionable steps to get your iPad talking to 5G towers. Now you configure how your iPad uses 5G. Go to Settings, right arrow cellular data options, and choose 5G auto or 5G on depending on battery versus performance needs. Then set data mode to allow more data when on 5G so apps can use higher throughput. If you rely on a private APN, enter it under cellular right arrow SIM applications or carrier settings. Make sure carrier updates are installed. They often include essential 5G band support and bug fixes. Finish by testing a real-world download or speed test to verify 5G throughput and latency improvements. This confirms practical performance. Once you see expected speeds, adjust location preferences and app background refresh to balance battery life. If the iPad won't register on 5G, restart the device, toggle cellular data and airplane mode, and reapply the eSIM or reset the SIM. If problems persist, contact your carrier to check provisioning or unsupported bands. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.